Hey all, welcome back to another video. Today's first question is, what is the greatest common factor of 36, 90, and 60? So first of all, if we look at all these numbers, finding the greatest common factor is also quite similar to finding the least common multiple, but it kind of strays off the path a little further on. I'll explain that. So 36, you can write that into 6 to the power of 2, which you can then split into 2 to the power of 2 times 3 to the power of 2. 90 you can split into 2 times 5 and 3 to the power of 2. And 60 you can split into 15 and 4 is just 2 to the power of 2. 15 you can split into 3 and 5. So to find the greatest common factor here, you're going to have to, instead of picking out the largest numbers that not all of them have to have, you have to find a number that all of them have and then pick out the smallest of the bunch. So what I'm talking about is, as you can see, 36 does not have a 5, so we can get rid of that. We're not going to add that into the equation. All of them have a 2, so you can write 2 down, but since 90 only has a 2 to the power of 1, we can only write a 2. And all of them have a 3, but since 60 only has 3 to the power of 1, we only write 3 to the power of 1. So then this number is 6. So their greatest common factor is 6. Moving on to problem number 2, if a and b are positive integers and GCD AB equals 8, then what are the positive common divisors of a and b? So this question is quite similar to the one above, except it doesn't use the solving method anymore. So if a and b's greatest common divisor is 8, then of course, first of all, both of them share 1, because basically all numbers share 1. Of course, it also shares 2, because if it's divided by 8, it must end in an even number, because 8 is basically 2 times 4. And speaking of 2 times 4, we also got to add a 4 here, because, well, 2 times 4 again. But then the next number we have is only an 8, because 6 doesn't work here, it doesn't have a 3. And since their greatest common divisor is 8, we can't go past 8. So the positive common divisors of a and b are 1, 2, 4, and 8. So yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys learned something new. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!